Good morning, class. Hope you are well at home. Today we'll discuss the next chapter of our book Civics, that is electoral politics. Student, in this chapter we will discuss the system of election in our country and what is the need of election in our country. So, firstly, we'll take why election. Assembly election in Haryana. This is the newspaper cutting, and in that particular, we will know about that election took place in Haryana in 1982 and what was the system behind and how the parties were contesting election. So the time is after midnight, and expectant crowd sitting for the past 5 hours in a crowd of the town is waiting for its leader to come. This is a particular picture like when generally we'll see during the election time that crowd is waiting for the leader who is about to come, and they are eagerly waiting for their leader to whom they want that should be the leader of our state. So this is the same, the crowd is sitting since 5 hour past, and the when they you can say knew about that leader is about to come, they eagerly stood up. So the organizer assure the reasons, reassures the crowd that he would be here any moment, means the leader is about to come. The crowd stands up whenever a passing vehicle comes away. It arouses hope that he has come. Means when a leader has come, generally people stood up for the welcome, and the leader is Mr. Devi Lal, Chief of Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, and who was to address a meeting in Karnal on Thursday day night. He is of 70-year-old leader and very busy person in these days. His day starts 8 a.m. and finished or ends up after 11 p.m. He has already addressed 9 election meeting in the since the morning. Means in a day he attended how much meetings, how much rallies he attended, that is 11. And that he constantly addressing the public meeting for past 23 months and preparing for his this election, means continuously 24 or means like 2 years, continuously 2 years he is doing campaign for the party to win the election which is about to come. This newspaper report is about to state assembly election in Haryana in 1987. The state had been ruled by a Congress party led government since 1982. So this newspaper cutting which we have seen and read, that is of Haryana election. The state assembly ruled over, means prior to this particularly Congress party led a government, that is since 1982, and Chaudhry Devilal, then an opposition leader, led a movement called Nyay Yudh, struggle for justice, and formed a new party, Lokdal. So here you have to remember three things, like prior to Devilal, Congress party was ruling in the state Haryana, and his party name is Lokdal, and he is leading a movement that is Nyay Yudh. So Lokdal, his party joined other opposition party to form the in front of against of the Congress in election, means he is the leader of opposition party in the election campaign. So in the election campaign, Devilal said that his party won the election. If his party is winning the election, so what will be? The government would waive the loan. If their government come after the election, then farmers and businessmen's loans will be waived. Waiving means they will exempted people from paying any kind of loan, settle the loan. So he promised that this would be the first action of his Congress, means whenever they will be coming in the government, so what the government do, they will waive the loan of the small businessmen and the leaders. So this was regarding the campaign, means any party when is campaigning for election, means certainly they make some promises, They took some issues from the society from which people are suffering, and generally when it happens means people vote them. It is the duty of government, which the elected government is, that they keep their promises. So in this video, till here we'll discuss. In the next, we will see what happened after winning the election.